Hello, I'm Dr. Anvita from White Feather Dental, and today I'm going to answer the most commonly asked question, which is which toothpaste should I use for better teeth and gums? With so many different brands of toothpaste available in the market where each brand offers its own benefits, it can get a little bit confusing. So let me tell you what you should do in order to choose the right toothpaste for you. Numerous studies have shown that fluoride is a natural mineral and it protects the tooth enamel and prevents tooth cavities. It is an essential ingredient in toothpaste. Check that your toothpaste has 1000 to 1500 ppm of fluoride in it. Check for the Indian Dental Association, the IDA, or the American Dental Association, the ADA seal on the toothpaste. An IDA or an ADA seal on the toothpaste ensures that it has the right ingredients and it is safe and effective to use. However, some toothpaste do not have the IDA or the ADA seal. In that case, you need to go through the composition or the ingredients present in the toothpaste and take the decision. Read the composition of the toothpaste. Not all kinds of ingredients present in the toothpaste is suitable for everybody. There could be something that you're allergic to. You need to find out what it is and then avoid that toothpaste. Some studies have shown that sodium lauryl sulfate, which is the agent present in toothpaste that causes the foaming of the toothpaste, could cause mouth ulcers. So in people who have frequent mouth ulcers, it would be a good idea to avoid toothpaste containing sodium lauryl sulfate. Look through the ingredients and then decide what works best for you. Choose toothpaste based on your requirement. If you have sensitive teeth, you need toothpaste which contain a desensitizing agent like potassium nitrate. If that toothpaste is still not helping you, then over-the-counter toothpaste might not be so effective and you need to go for a prescription toothpaste. You need to consult your dentist for that. Suppose you are very caries prone and you have a lot of tooth cavities, it would be a good idea to go for a remineralizing toothpaste. That is a toothpaste which contains fluoride and some other added ingredients which will help to remineralize your cavities and reduce them. Supposing you are looking for a toothpaste for whitening, then the normal toothpaste available in the market do not have the correct ingredients for whitening. You need to take a toothpaste which has carbamide peroxide or hydrogen peroxide. These are the whitening agents which will help to remove the stains from your teeth. There are toothpaste for tartar control. So we have a layer of plaque on our teeth, which is basically bacteria, and this over time builds up and forms a hard layer called the tartar or the calculus. Some of us are quite prone to it. These need to be removed by the dentist at your scaling or your dental cleaning appointments. There are some toothpaste which will help to prevent the formation or the accumulation of tartar or calculus. You need to look for toothpaste which have pyrophosphates or zinc citrates. So basically you need to choose a toothpaste that suits your requirement. Check the RDA seal of the toothpaste. Now all toothpaste contain certain amount of abrasive agents which help to whiten and clean the teeth. But too much of abrasive agents can cause damage to the tooth enamel. So you need to check the level of abrasiveness of the toothpaste, which is measured by the RDA. If the RDA is within 250, it is safe to use. But toothpaste which have an RDA above 250 could be very abrasive for your tooth. That is a whole lot of information. And if you have any doubts or questions regarding which toothpaste is best for you, you can reach out to us or you can also ask your dentist.